Hi peeps, welcome back champions. In this visual content, 24 divided by 12 which equals 2 and 14 divided by 7 equals 2. Now we have this problem, 2 divided by 2 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 24 divided by 12 equals 2. So we have 2 divided by 14 divided by 7, and we can write this part as 2 over 14 divided by 7. So we must keep the first fraction 2 over 14 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 7 which equals 2 over 98, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe and stay tuned for more.